Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. My name is Yane if you are new here, and if you are not new here, welcome back. It is install day for this hair. If you have not seen the prep video for this hair, definitely check that out. So what I did was I let the hair dry for a couple days. So I will be honest, the hair did take a little bit of time to dry. Like, I didn't use any heat or anything to dry the hair. I just put it by the window and kind of let the sun do its thing. So it did take, I don't know what porosity that is, if it's low porosity, high porosity, whatever porosity holds water, that's this hair. So I wouldn't recommend you get it wet too often, but I will say the hair did dry. This is a couple days later, and I'm ready to install. So let's get right to it. I'm going to quickly just locksmith my roots is really fast, and then I'm gonna come back afterwards. So we are back and my hair is fully locksmith. This will look really cute on retwisted hair, but I do want to get that volume, and I don't want to retwist my hair and then have to wait a month until the volume comes back. So I only locksmith my hair this time. But I'm also not the biggest fan of retwisting, as y'all know, so I decide to locksmith instead. I'm going to take a little bit of the kinky hair to start off with, taking this hair and putting it right next to my lock like that, and then I'm just going to wrap this hair around the lock. Okay. And then I'm going to take some of this loose hair and I'm going to add this to my lock and then wrap over top of that one. So everything in place. And we're going to palm roll.
It was at this moment that she knew she fucked up.
No, that didn't work. Place it higher up on my lock, and then I'm going to wrap one piece around this way. And then I'm going to wrap the other piece around after that one. And let's get some here. Let's get some here. And let's wrap it around the lock as well. So top and then work my way down. Okay, now that one is more secure. All right, so I think I'm finally getting a little hang of the install. So this is how it's looking right now. This one's looking a little wonky. This is the line of demarcation with the install. This one blended really well. So this is the line of demarcation, but mind you, I am in the middle of a ring light. So with the ring light, it's going to look a lot more obvious than what it looked like in real life. So this is how the install is looking. It looks pretty good. I still have lint, so my lint is going to mess up that part, but I think I got the hang of it. Okay. Take a piece. I'm taking one of the 0.5 centimeters, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to put it next to my lock. I realize that if you put it up too high, it doesn't necessarily make more security. Sometimes it slips a lot easier. So I'm putting it about an inch, maybe inch and a half away from the bottom of my lock, and then I'm going to split this in two. And then I'm going to take this one and I'm going to kind of like create my own wrap around my lock. So I'm taking the hair and wrapping it around my lock like this, like my actual lock. All right, and I still have this piece. So here, if you notice, like the hair naturally, if I turn it this way, it starts to loosen up, and if I turn it this way, it starts to tighten up. So I'm going to go with the way that the hair wants to go, and I'm going to start the wrap with the other part of the lock. So I'm going to take this and then slowly bring this wrap down. Okay, just like that. Now this is secure. and I'm pulling and it's not coming out. So I'm going to take a little bit more of the human hair, and then when I take that, I'm just going to try to cover up this little part of my lock that's sticking out. So I'm going to take the human hair and I'm literally just wrapping it around the bottom to cover up my lock. So then I'm going to take this is how it looks right now, and I'm just going to palm roll it, and then there we go. Y'all, this looks so good. Look at this compared to my lock. Like, are you serious? There we go. All right, so I'm going to continue this and I'm going to come back when I'm done. Attention, ladies, this is not a drill. Listen up. We have found temporary lock extensions. Girl. 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 Do y'all see the custom color? Listen, this is a perfect color match. Now you can see a little bit of the line of demarcation inside of this video because I have a ring light. But outside, matter of fact, in real lighting, freaking cute. They're not going anywhere. Like, I'm tugging on them. They're not going anywhere. I don't know how they would last like on vacation, like if you're getting inside of a pool and water, because these do hold water. They do hold kind of heavy. So I'm not sure if the water will make them slip or anything like that. But so I mean, these are temporary, so you do have to be careful with how rough you are with the hair, because I mean, it's temporary. It's not going to last forever. And I've seen some people like glue the locks into their hair. I am not gluing anything into my locks. This lock is pretty sensitive right now, like kind of like at the root. So I didn't want to put anything on this one. I didn't want to add any weight to that one. So that's the reason why that one isn't one, is because I never put one on that one. This is the hair all together. This is how the hair color turned out. Like I said, I did 3 different tones, that dark color, the middle color, and this light brown, and it came out really cute. It gave like this really cute dimensioned braid kind of look. So my hair is 14 inches and the lock extensions were 12 inches. So I have about 26 inches in my hair. But I am really short. I'm only like 5'2", so I also make things look a lot longer. The ends look after they are dried. All right, y'all, my light keeps going off and I am so not recording this video again. So we just gonna have to deal with it. But yeah, so I definitely love these lock extensions. I love how they came out. I love the fact that you can dye them. I love how soft and kind of like pliable, malleable, flexible they are. I absolutely love these. They're very lightweight. In total, I have 91 lock extensions in my hair because I have 92 locks and then I left one out, so I have about 91 locks. Yeah, so if you're interested in trying out these lock extensions, definitely check out Locsanity.com under the extension sections, and you can put in code YANARTISTRY for 10% off your final purchase. Girl, even if you don't use the discount code, you definitely have to try these. Try them. Shout out to Locsanity for sending me these lock extensions. I absolutely love them. I'm going to wear these for a couple weeks just to see how they are. Again, if you want to use these for either temporary or long-term extension, you can, because it's 100% human hair. And yeah, that's it.
You guys enjoyed this video series, and I will see you in the next one.